Now Sebastian Aho getting it ahead. Svechnikov moves in. Oh, good defensive play by Keandre Miller. Back the other way. Vetrano waiting. Pass through to Zibanejad. Backhands it in front. They score! Yes! Keandre Miller! Oh, the Rangers moving the puck quickly. And Miller with the finish. Rangers lead 1-0.
The Rangers do it again. They make a defensive play, and then quickly the puck goes up the ice, and here they go. Vetrano, he's looking for someone. Miller just followed up the play and just stayed in there and waited for the pass to come to him. Here it comes again. You'll see Miller go to the front. Zibanejad waits, finds a way to sneak the puck through everybody.
Good pressure by the Rangers. Brought out by Aho, picked up by Svechnikov, moves in, pass across, and that's blocked. Good effort, and they score!
Now Svechnikov from behind the net, drew it in off Shesterkin. Now here's the first chance. That doesn't go in, and watch.
Oh yeah.
Svechnikov just throws it from behind the net, banks him in. Shesterkin, I think he lost sight of where the puck was because he didn't react right away to get back to the post. I don't think he saw it, and then by the time
Goodrow ran into Brady Shea. Brett Pesce moves it up. Shea to Aho, pass in front. Jarvis in, he scores! A beautiful backhander by Seth Jarvis gives Carolina the lead for the first time, 2-1.
And Brady Shea just stepped right into him. That allowed Carolina to get the puck. Rangers were making a change, and Aho finds Jarvis going right up the middle of the ice, and there you see the hands.
Jesper Foster's checking him. Niederreiter is there as well. Rooney for the Rangers. Stahl moves in. Good play by Foss. Got it back to Brady Shea. Shot blocked. Shot by Stahl. He scores! Jordan Stahl with his 6th goal in the last 4 games.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stahl is the 6th. And then once it comes back to the point, that gets blocked, and Stahl just finds it and just puts it, looked like right underneath the glove of Shesterkin. Here's the first shot, blocked. That was Brady Shea, breaks his stick. And Stahl just goes and gets it, takes a quick shot, and
Stahl had an empty net goal in the game on Sunday against Anaheim. Fox moving, shooting, a deflection, and they score! It's Chris Kreider! It's number 50! You called it. Take a moment, take a breath, and watch it.
Yeah, Rangers win the faceoff. Fox gets the puck through. There's a rebound, nice and low. And Kreider, as he's done so many times this season, gets there.
No icing. Strome picks it up. 15 seconds to go. Kreider tips it ahead. Teravainen bangs it off the glass. Empty net for Svechnikov to Aho. There it is. And this one is put away by Carolina.
Yeah, unselfish play by 37, Svechnikov. He'll end up with it here. He's got time in the net, but he gives it to Aho for the 2 good teams tonight.
Carolina only their 2nd win in Madison Square Garden in their last 20 visits.